Welcome to Material Bank. This building here is 370,000 square feet. We operate with 120 Locus robots here in the building. We have 300,000 SKUs, about 10 million units in inventory, 250,000 pick locations. Material Bank, at its core, is a technology company. We operate a platform for architects and designers to solve one problem in the industry, which is time. Today in our operation, we use Made4net as our control system here. As far as operational execution goes, we utilize the WMS on the front end, right when the product first comes in the door, and that's going to be a receipt typically on a terminal with putaways on a handheld device. And then on the back end, on the outbound side, that's all wave picking, right? But we have a combination of handheld RDT picking, Locus picking, vertical lift module picking, and then we also utilize a custom-built RF pick for one of our brands. We do a lot of things with weight, we do a lot of things with dimensions, and so from the ASN creation piece, which is the export from the manufacturer that's ingested by Made4net to create our receipts, all the way through dimensioning with the Cubiscan, which is fully integrated with the Made4net system, gives us the data integrity and the accuracy on dimensions and weights that we need to continue our process all the way through to shipping. With us having 600 brands here in the building, all different kinds of materials, we have about 135 categories of materials. And so for us, having the visibility in the WMS of the entire receipt, line by line, with images, with expected quantities, is extremely important. It makes the process through receiving that much simpler. Made4net will always drive product to an existing location first versus taking up a new empty location. And so that keeps my building from being honeycombed, and with 300,000 SKUs, as much open space as I can keep is really advantageous for me. And that means new product, more spaces on the shelf. So that directed put away, rule-based, and consolidation logic is absolutely critical for how I store my product in the building. New brands that come onto the platform are able to be set up in the WMS within a matter of a day or two. We also have the ability to print barcodes straight out of Made4net, and we'll print anywhere from 200 to 300,000 barcodes a month as a value-added services back to our brands. For put away of our product, having 300,000 SKUs in the building, it's really the flexibility that Made4net has in put away logic and put away rules, and determining where things go is critical for us. A lot of flexibility on the put away side, really easy to manage, done via RF, or we can even put away via a terminal. Material Bank does have a returns process that is powered by Made4net, very similar to our inbound receiving process, where we get a sample back. Obviously we do a very thorough inspection. We actually will put back to the last location that the product was picked from, and then once we close that receipt line, that then will put the onus back on the brand to let them know that that product was put back. Inventory here at Material Bank, obviously with the number of SKUs and units that we have in this building, is absolutely critical for our outbound success. We operate Material Bank at a 99.98% accuracy rate on the outbound side. 98% of our packages that leave this building are going priority overnight for 10:30 a.m. delivery the next day, which is pretty much spoiled the industry, I would say.
We have a same-day shipping. So the exact same day you order it, then that order is going to go out the exact same day. The interesting thing about that is that you can do that multiple times throughout the day. It's actually one of our most challenging things. Somebody orders something at 8 a.m. in the morning, and then, they eat their breakfast, they travel, they take a Zoom call or something like that. And then they decide after this call, I need a couple more things. They'll order that. All of those, as long as it hasn't been packed, go under this exact same host order ID, and we're able to consolidate those within our pack area.
When those totes get to pre-pack, the system will tell you, hey, you can't go any further. You don't have the other 2 remaining totes for this order. So we deliver just that 1 package versus 3. It's a huge sustainability initiative for us. Our growth over the last 6 years, I would say, has been pretty substantial. Made4net has been with us through that entire journey. My team works really closely with the Made4net team, both on the development and support side. We have weekly standing meetings. We have access to our own test environment. So anything that we push for development gets thoroughly tested, both on our side and on the Made4net side. So always there as a partner. It's greatly appreciated.